Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sell USDT on Huobi HTX. The first thing I would like you to do is to launch your HTX wallet, which of course I have done right here. Now, I'd like you to know that HTX is a leading crypto exchange platform. It is one of the world's biggest Bitcoin exchanges and altcoin crypto exchanges. You can buy BTC, ETH, HT, and more on HTX. So now that we know a bit of what HTX is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to sell USDT on Huobi HTX. From this homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen where you have these tabs. You have buy crypto, you have markets, you have trade, you have derivatives, earn, finance, activity, and HTX zone. Now move your cursor to buy crypto. Now you have this extended menu, quick trade, fiat deposits, you have OTC DEX and P2P. Now I would like you to click on P2P and it's going to take you to the P2P window. Now P2P simply means peer-to-peer. Now from the peer-to-peer window, you can buy and you can sell currencies or crypto assets in HTX. So because we want to sell USDT, here where you have these two tabs, buy and sell, ensure that it is set to sell. So you're going to click sell. And once you click sell, this is what it's going to show. So we're waiting for the window to come on and all of the features in here to load. Once that's done, I'm going to show you what next to do. So in here where you have this USDT, so this is the asset. As you can see, my default is USDT. But once you open up your account and your default is not USDT, you can definitely change it. So click on the drop down menu there. So click on the drop down menu here. And you're going to see all of these options, so ensure it is set to USDT. So you have your fiat currency. Once you get your money, in which currency do you want your assets to be sent? So here you have all of this fiat currency, so go ahead and choose the one that you want. And here you have this availability status, which is what I call it, where you have this all. So once you click on this, it's going to show all the people that you can sell to, or all the people that are just available, so you can use any of that. And you can use the filter option. Click on the filter option to change your payment method. So you have this payment method option. So you can use all payment methods, or you can set to any of these payment methods that you prefer. As you can see, there are a lot of options in here that you can choose. So choose any of them and have fun with it. So scroll the way down to see the traders. You have all of these traders available here. So if you want to sell your crypto, you want to sell your USDT, go ahead and trade with any of them. So click on the sell button, and let's say you want to sell to this person, so you click on the sell button. Once you click on the sell button, it's going to take you to the next window. Now it says basic verification. In this basic verification, advanced verification, and you see the total trades that this person has made, completion rate, and has traded with me. So you need to enable at least one payment method before selling. So you can click on this enable now to enable one payment method. That payment method is where you're going to get your money. So click on add a new payment method. And once you click on add a new payment method, you see all the payment method options that you can choose from to set yours. So in here, you can click on add a new payment method option. That's Wise, bank transfer, and you can even select more to see more options. Or you can link a bank card. That's the bank card option, where you have the bank card bound to be used to pay when binding to Assets in Express. So click on add a bank card for you to link your bank card. So once you've added that, I'm going to go all the way back to P2P, where we came from. So from here, where we are, so once you have gone through the processes to add your payment method, you can now come in here to start trading. So just like it was before, select the trader, And once you select the trader, click on the sell button, and it's going to take you to the next steps to take for you to be able to sell your USDT to the person that you choose. Ensure that it is what you want so as to avoid glitches. Okay, so this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.